Hello guys, is your face recognition not working on Samsung S25 Plus? I will help you with that, let's get going. So the first thing you are gonna do is you are gonna clean the front camera lens with a microfiber cloth. I have it here, as you can see, and you are cleaning. Here, it's clean. Then you are gonna check if it works. If it doesn't work, you go to settings. Here at the bottom you have a search bar, you press it. Face recognition, you have it here. You need to current password. Then you press face recognition, add alternative appearance and register. Then you put your face here, as you can see it's camera, hello. You put your face and go with comments the phone gives you. Okay, what you are gonna do next? If it didn't work, maybe it's the light work, because you need a good lighting during setup and use, And if it didn't work too, you go to settings, you go to software update and check for updates. I have it updated. You could have older updates, you need to update and it will work. I guarantee you. Okay, thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.